today's episode, we're going to do something fun. So, I'm on my way right now to pick up the daily misfire. And so, we're on our way to do some machinery picking. So, this has been actually in the works for the last couple of weeks. I just haven't had a chance to get up and get it. But I'm not telling you what it is. And so we're going to go pick up Colin, and we're going to go get this equipment, and then we may end up going by another shop, and all this will be recorded for you guys. So stick along, stick along. Stick with me. Let's go. Like, seriously, no idea. Been waiting on this for years. Finally got it.
What did you do?
A boss out. I'm telling you what, I've been after one of these things for, I don't know, 10 years, maybe even longer, and I finally picked one up. And we found it at, what is it, Colonial
Machinery sales. Jonathan over there.
Jonathan. Dude's so cool. He's got such an array of equipment. A lot more woodworking than metalworking stuff. But surplus stuff, man, dude is awesome. Like, I can't say enough about him. And, like, the equipment, I got new equipment. I just got to find a place to put it. You know? I'm like, yeah.
It'll.
I got to hang out with Colin.
I know.
Yeah.
It all started when you went and bought this compressor, which he made me go and check out the compressor for him. And then I said, you should go out there and look at all the stuff that this guy has.
He did it. It's his fault.
It's my fault. That's what, yeah. He has no responsibility for this. It's my fault.
Nope. Wifey, it's his fault.
Sorry.
So, yeah.
But yeah, so you have now an air compressor.
That's a 15 horse, 120 gallon, 3-phase compressor. I think it does like something like 90 CFM at 175 PSI. I don't think we're going to use that up.
And then
I got a P3 PullMax. Yeah. Yeah.
Which, if you know what that is, good on you. If you don't,
look it up, because I can't explain it to you. It's just, it's all over the internet, and it's a metal shaper's like dream to have. I honestly been doing metal shaping for 10 or 15 years, and my arms feel it every day, and so this makes it a lot easier. And you're not a metal shaper unless you have one of these in the shop. So now I can call myself a metal shaper, because yeah.
check mark. Yeah. Check.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about this one is not only did you get the, PullMax itself, but it came with so many different dies, and you got a whole bunch of.
I think we got some cool dies. Now, I'm not going to reveal everything, because I got to ask a guy I know what they are to make sure they're 100% what I think they are. But there are definitely some dies that we can use.
Which will be in a video as soon as you get these off the trailer.
Well, I got to put a motor on the PullMax.
And you get a motor and
paint it. I'm going to paint it. And I got to put it in the spot.
What, you don't like the lead paint chips?
No.
This is dinner for.
My mama told me not to eat that stuff.
But they're high in protein. But
yeah,
all right.
I'm super stoked. I got to hang out with Colin from the Daily Misfire.
Oh yeah.
And we don't get to hang out much.
No,
so,
we're too far away.
2 hours.
Yeah.
So I can't believe it's 2 hours, man. But
which isn't that far, but it's also.
It's really quick if you email stuff.
It's almost like internet based, but I think you're good.
Dude, I'm stoked, man. Like, happy Mother's Day to me. Yeah. I don't know.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some antics in another episode.
When he rents a forklift and is trying to get all this stuff off his trailer.
I haven't got a clue. Because the old 1 Series John Deere ain't going to do it.
No.
Ain't going to do it.
The old 650's got this, though.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't know it's back there.
No. Not like that 44-footer, man.
No.
She does not like that 44-foot trailer. So we're going to take care of that tomorrow, though.
In another video.
Which Colin won't be with me.
No,
I gotta go meet a tuner tomorrow to see about what we can do about up the power on the old 650.
Yes, go see a man about a duck.
Gotta go see a man about a duck. Yep. You're right.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for riding with me.
Absolutely.
See ya.
See you.